everyone, welcome to our front end interview series day 2. So let's go through the second question. So re-renders in React. What causes a component re-render? When is a re-render unnecessary? How do you prevent unnecessary re-renders? Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so let's check when the component re-renders. Re-rendering, first let's go through the re-rendering. What does re-rendering means? So re-rendering is nothing but re-execution of the function component. It is not always DOM update, but it is re-execution of function component also. So when does a component re-render is if its state changes or prop changes or parent re-renders or context value changes. So these are the causes of re-rendering: state change, prop change, parent re-render or context value changes. Okay, so unnecessary, so these are the causes of a component to re-render: state, props, parent re-rendering. Context value is nothing but a global value which we have stored. That value, if it is changed also, the components will get re-render. So this is the cause. When is a re-render unnecessary? So unnecessary re-renders happen when parent re-renders but child props did not change. So parent is getting re-rendered. Okay, so child prop is not changed, but sometimes child will also get a re-render because of the parent. See, the prop did not change, so it should not affect the child, but it is still re-rendering because its parent is getting re-render. So this is unnecessary re-render. Okay, next one is functions or objects are recreated on every render. So you have a component, inside it you have created few objects or few functions. Okay, and you are trying to change something in one of the function, but still every time the component get re-render, every time other functions and other objects will also get recreated. So this is also unnecessary re-render. And also expensive calculations run again unnecessarily. So expensive calculations is nothing but the calculations which take time to execute. So these are the unnecessary re-render. These are the reasons why unnecessary re-render happens. Okay, the third question is how do you prevent unnecessary re-renders? So it is simple. So we can use react.memo. Okay, this and use memo, use callback. So these are the hooks. Okay, react.memo, what does it do is it will prevent child re-render if props unchanged. So we have a parent and we have a child, so both are connected using the props. When the parent re-renders, now the child is also getting re-render. So to stop this, we can put react.memo inside child component. So it will prevent child re-rendering if props doesn't change. Okay, this is the reason why we use this. And the next one is use memo hook. So this is used for memoizing computed values, and also use callback hook. This is used for memoizing function references. And how to prevent re-renders? Some more prevention methods are proper dependency arrays. Sometimes if we give a different dependency array than we expected, so if that is getting executed one after other time, or else the dependency which I have given, that you are updating inside the use effect, so at that time also we will get the errors, or sorry, re-render. So if we use proper dependency arrays also, it works. And also avoid inline objects or functions. See, if you have a button, inside it on click, directly inside on click, if you try to do some uh, inline objects or if you try to create some objects or functions, every time it will get re-render. So this also we have to avoid. Okay, so we have covered all this. So in the tomorrow session we will cover react.memo versus use callback. Those three we are using to prevent re-rendering. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.